Hey everybody, welcome out to another Photo G.I. Joe Hero toy opening. I'm here today at home in my office and decided to set up my photography for kind of an outdoor thing, but anyway, I decided to do this one that I've picked up, Bobby and Uni from the Dungeons & Dragons series. When they came out with these, I thought it was pretty cool. I haven't got all of them. I'm still missing, let's see, the redhead girl, the magician, and the guy with the shield. But the rest of them I've picked up. I believe that I've posted videos of all of them. Not sure if I've done it for Diana, but anyway, so this one I picked up as well. Gotta have the unicorn. If you ever watched the series, it was really good. I hated to see it end. And apparently there's another episode that we haven't seen that's out there. Just haven't had a chance to watch it. Anyway, the figures look pretty close to the people, which is always nice. They haven't been the most posable. They do okay. Diana's head was just a little long, or her neck was a little long. But anyway, this guy, Bobby, with his club, the Barbarian, I think is what he was. But this one should be interesting. And they all come with the different dice. This is a D12. So anyway, let's get this one open. It was at my favorite discount store, and I want to say that I got it for cheaper than that, $12, but I don't know, maybe I went 12. Okay, this one's again from Hasbro. Oh, stuck in there. And it was the plastic-free packaging, other than the fact that the figures are plastic, but, you know, virtue signaling is a real thing. Okay, there's his club. Let's see, let me get better light on this. That might be a little too much light. But there's his club, like an angled, really nasty sliver. And then Uni, that looks really close like the unicorn from the series. So I liked that. Should be good to work with. And then I'll come back to her actually. And there's the D12 for those Dungeons and Dragons nerds like me. I actually haven't played any of the paper-based games, but I played all the video games of it. And we use D12s all the time. So we're board gaming nerds. Okay, and then here's Bobby. The detail on Bobby is really good. He's got the little smirk, and then he's got the freckles. His older sister, the redhead. I hope to get her sometime. But he's got the Viking helmet, the shirt that barely fits, and then the Barbarian clothes, and the spiked armbands. But he's really good for like just a miniature version of an action figure. He's got the neck on the swivel. He's got the ball joint in his shoulder. He's only got one joint on the elbow. Sure looks like it's supposed to go this way, but I don't think it does. Yeah, well, no, it does. Really small, so a little nervous to break it. And then his hand is meant to bend quite a bit. Goes back a bunch. Doesn't want to go forward very well. Don't want to break it. This one is in a weird spot. Almost looks like it's the same piece on both. They gave me two. They gave me two left arms. Yep. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if that's how he is, if everybody else got that, but he's got two left biceps. Well, that's going to make it a little bit of a challenge. Spins on the stomach. He's got the ball joint on the hip and double jointed knee. Really tight. Small, so super tight. We won't break it. And then he's got his foot. That's a little off, but almost kind of looks like he's got the wrong feet on as well. So yeah, interesting. He definitely has two left biceps. I don't know if everybody else got that. If you have, I'm curious to know. And look at his slivered club in his hand. Okay. And then Uni, her head's on a ball joint. Light is just a little too much. There. So yeah, her head's on a ball joint. Okay, that's all the articulation she has too. Okay, well that's all for Bobby and Uni. Thanks everybody for watching. Let me know what you think, or if you've picked him and her up. And if your Bobby has two left arms. Okay, all right, thanks everybody. Like and subscribe if you get a chance. Love the feedback. Vote G.I. Joe Hero out.